going to be doing a sound test for a 2009 RX8 R3. Still running on single input, double output like stock is, except I've done a muffler delete. See here, just a simple Y. Then we went with 120 degree bend, another 120 out to tip, both sides. Still have all normal exhaust. It is a OEM catalytic converter, still has the resonator, but the muffler has been deleted, running out of a Y. So here's the RX8 R3 trim's interior, 9000 manual transmission. Let's do a little sound test here for you.